Good evening, class.
Good evening,
Let us all stand for the opening prayer. May I request Miss Pamela Sumagang to lead the prayer? Okay, you may now take your seat. Good evening, class.
Good evening, sir.
How was your day so far?
Sira,
I'm glad to hear that you are all fine and positively energized for this day. Before anything else, please take some pieces of paper under your chairs. Now, class, we will be having a agreement. What are you going to do if the teacher is talking in front? Yes?
now.
Very good, Maminaw. How about if there is an activity, what are you going to do?
To answer the
Okay.
mo-cooperate.
Very good. Can I expect all of that from you, student? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now class, before we proceed to our new topic, what was our previous lesson all about? Yes?
Our previous lesson is all about multiplication.
Okay, very good. I have here 8 flashcards. All you have to do is to raise your right hand if you want to answer. The first one, you want to answer.
Answer.
Okay, Pamela?
2 times 5 equals 10.
Okay, very good. How about this?
4 times 8 plus
Very good. Okay, karong class na ako mo pangutana about sa atong previous lesson.
wala yan, sir.
Okay, very good. In this part, we will be having a short activity. And all you have to do is to analyze the word problem. Is that clear, children? Okay, very good. Please read everyone.
Linda has 10 balloons. She will give this equally to 5 of her friends. How many balloons will each one get?
Okay, number 1, what is asked in the problem? Yes, Pamela?
Answer. The number of balloons each friend will get, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. Number 2, what are given?
That balloons
Okay, very good. How about number 3? What are the word clues?
each one gets, sir.
Okay, very good. Number 4, what operation to use? Okay, very good. Now, let's solve the problem. 10 divided by 5 equals,
2, sir.
very good, equals 2. Based on our activity that we did earlier, what do you think will be our topic for today?
Wala, sir.
Okay, wala. Our topic for today is all about different everyone.
Division by 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. And I'm expecting you to please read everyone.
Divide mentally numbers by 2, 3, and 4 in word problem.
Can I expect all of this from you, student? Okay, very good. In this part, we will be having a group activity. And I will be handing out envelopes in each group. And each envelope has a word problem. All you have to do is to present it in front of the class once you're done. Is that clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. This will be the group 1. And this will be the group 2.
Wala, sir. Wala naman dito.
Okay, are you all done?
Baka, sir.
You only have 5 minutes to solve the word problem. Okay, group 1, you're done?
Wait lang, sir.
Okay. Kasi problema diyan nagang. Problema nagang.
Okay lang, sir. Tayo wala isnak ko na, sir.
Okay, group 1.
So, muna siya ang sa group 1, sir. And there are 9 chocolates.
Ikaw, balita ito ba?
Ay, ako dahil. Mulan ka naman po. There are 9 chocolates in a box. If they are divided equally, how many chocolates will each person get if there are 3 people? So, to answer, 9 divide 3, sir, equals 3, sir.
Ayan.
Ay,
Combine sila.
dili tag 3 na sila, sir, sa kuan.
Okay, very good. Group 2, it's your turn.
Sa kuan, sir. Kung pakit siya. A farmer has 24 eggs to put in 6 cartons. How many eggs will in each carton? 24 divided by 6. Before isa carton.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's clap ourselves. Okay, please rate everyone.
Now, when solving word problems that involve division of numbers found in multiplication tables of 2, 3, and 4, there are a few strategies that can be used to help simplify the problem and find the solution. Some of these strategies include
number 1,
skip counting. This involves using the multiplication table to count forward or backward in multiples of the number being divided.
Number 2, repeated subtraction.
This involves subtracting the
Divisor repeatedly from the divided
until you reach
0 or a number that is less than the divisor.
the
The number of times you subtract divisor is the equation. Number 3, equal groups.
This involves
Dividing the total number of objects or items into equal groups, with each group containing the same number of objects. Number 4, using the inverse operation.
This involves using multiplication to solve the division problem.
Okay, nasabtan ba mga bata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, class, what is our topic for today? Yes, Pamela?
To answer, our topic for today is all about division by 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, very good. What are the first 4 steps in analyzing? Yes? Again, Pamela?
And what is as? What are the given numbers? What is the word group? What operation to be used?
Okay, very good. Yun ang importante man nga kabalota mag-multiply.
Para kabalutan mo ko answer ka nang mo-solve bitaw sa mga kuan. Okay?
Okay, very good. Mapaka na to si Pamela. In this part, we will be having a group activity again. All you have to do is to complete the concept map to solve the word problem. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you only have 5 minutes to finish your work. Okay, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, group 1, are you done? Okay, please present it in front of the class.
So this is our work of group 1. Adol bundled 36 okras. He had 8 bundles. How many okras in each bundle? Well, him. What is as okras in each bundle? What are given? 36 okras and 8 bundles. What are the words group? Each. What is the operation to be used? Division. So 36 divide 8 equals 4.
Okay. Okay, very good. Pakpaka na ang group 1. Okay, group 2. It's your turn.
He has 12 equally among their friends. How many things will each can get? What is us? In this will each can get. What are given? 12 candies and 3 friends.
What are the word clues? Equally, each friend gets. What is the operation to be used? Division. So 12 divided 3 equals 4.
Okay, pakpakan na ito ang group 2. You may now take your safe. In this part, we will be having a short activity. Please read the direction.
Read and understand the word problem. Then solve to get the correct answer using the steps to solve the word problems. Write the correct answer on your paper. Milagros friend 20 dried fish. She divide among her 5 children. How many dried fish does each child to get?
Okay, are you all done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 1. Who wants to answer? Number 1. What is asked?
Ako, sir.
Okay, Pamela. Okay, very good. Sakto ba si Pamela, mga bata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sakto. Number 2, kasi gusto mo answer? Yes, Jasmine? Please come here in front and
Sila itagbalay.
okay, sakto ba si Jasmine, mga bata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sakto. Okay, number 3, who wants to answer?
Ako, sir.
Yes, Pamela? Okay, is Pamela correct, mga bata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. Number 4, who wants to answer? Yes, Jasmine? Okay, pakpakan na to si Jasmine, mga bata. Okay, children, this will be your homework. Sulat ninyo sa inyong papel o answera ninyo sa inyong balay. Sabtan ba, mga bata?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, let us stand for the closing prayer. May I request Miss Pamela Sumagang to lead the prayer?
The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Okay, goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you for your time.
Okay.